Got some custom orders ready for eggs this morning. These are the I am Samani eggs. And big order of quail eggs. And hi Scarlett, hi Kiwi. We just got the brooder ready for the turkeys. I got some baby turkeys I hear screaming downstairs that have hatched. Hi Po, hi Rose. Hello. Give Papa a kiss. Papa kiss, Papa kiss, Papa kiss. Papa kiss, Papa kiss. Papa kiss, Papa kiss. Good girl. Wow. Wow, nice kisses. Papa kiss, Papa kiss. Papa kiss. Papa kiss. Scarlett, Papa kiss. Good girl, Scarlett. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. So, we're gonna check the incubator out here. The brooder is ready. Okay, so I sure hear some baby turkeys screaming in here. See if we can see anything here. I see one or two eggs hatch. Oh, one's coming out the top there too. You know what? Maybe I should leave this another day. Otherwise, I'm going to interfere with the hatching. There's definitely a couple down here. And this one up there. Should I or shouldn't I move them? Problem is, if I open this, I'm going to jeopardize the whole hatch. Well, hopefully they're going to stay healthy. I sure could use a little bit of feed or something though, but if I open it, I let all the humidity out. And the rest might quit hatching. But I don't want to lose turkeys either. They should be good for another day. I'll check tonight again. I'll check tonight again to see how it's going.